ड्रग अब्युजाचे फाटभुंयेर गोवा स्टेट लीगल सर्विसेस अथॉरिटीन 30 दिसांचो स्पेशल अवेरनेस कॅम्पेन आयोजीत केला. ह्या कॅम्पेनाच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक भारताचो चीफ जस्टिस सूर्य कांत हाजीर आशिल्लो.
If you see something wrong, speak up. If you something needs help, reach out. Fighting drug abuse is a shared duty. It's the duty of the government, family, the institutions, and every citizen. Let us work together to protect our youth, to strengthen our society, and secure the future of Goa. The Honorable PM says it is a Nasha Mukta Bharat, Vikasit Bharat 2047.
The issue we are to address does not belong to any one institution. It is not the concern of the police alone or of the courts or even the families alone. This issue belongs to all of us. It demands a collective effort, one that involves families, educators, health professionals, communities and institutions working in concert. I wish to offer my heartfelt condolences regarding the recent tragedies in Arpora, Goa. We mourn the loss of many young lives, individuals who were there to enjoy a well-earned break, as well as those working hard to support their families. This is a profound loss for their loved ones and a tragedy for our entire nation.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.